a lot of people that run machines think just like what I just said. Well, I've never had an accident before. I can reach my hand in there. It's no big deal. Okay? I'll power it off. It'll be fine. I'll turn it off. It'll be fine. Not realizing that that thing can kick back on at any given time. Okay? Lockout tagout completely takes out the possibility of that happening because you have no power source anywhere for this piece of equipment, piece of machinery. All right? So you're not going to have that problem. And people don't like to do it because it takes an extra 5-10 minutes to do it. And they think, oh, I can just reach in there. It's going to take me a minute to get that cleared out. That's not how it works at all, because that minute can mean your life sometimes. Okay? That 1 minute can mean your life. People don't like to take the time to practice the safety precautions. And we're here teaching you guys this stuff for that reason. I don't want you guys to ever put yourselves in a situation where you feel like you can't take the time to do something safely, because it could be the last time that you do anything.